I'm going to show you how you can go from idea to a fully functional app without writing a single line of code. Here on the left, I have a Figma file of a Kanban board app, and on the right, I have a fully functional version of that design, and it's actually up and running live. This is deployed. I can edit cards, I can move them around, add new ones, I can even delete columns if I want, and it works. Now, the app is actually deployed to Railway. And in case you're familiar, on Railway, you can deploy pretty much anything you want. You can deploy apps, services, sites, databases, and it integrates very nicely with any coding agent of your choice. And the end result is you will have a running app running in your Railway account. You can see here it's online. When I click on it, I will have the URL and I'll be able to access it. So let's see how we can set this up. So for my coding agent of choice, I'll be using Claude Code, but the same results can be applicable by swapping it out with something like Cursor, Codex, whatever AI ID of the day is, and it should just work. And right now I have a session running. I'm in a directory called demo, and I have the dangerously skip permissions flag, so the agent can just get to work without needing my permission for every step. And I have two things that are already configured. So if I do /MCP, you'll see that I have two servers configured. One is Figma, and this one is connected with my own Figma account, and the Railway MCP server, which I have set up, and we actually have another video that goes over how to set it up and connect to your account and everything. I'll leave a link somewhere. And yeah, now that I have both of these servers installed, all I need to do now is go to Figma, and I can just copy the link of this selection here, and I can go back, and let's escape here and say implement this design, and in the end deploy to Railway. And that's it. I'm just gonna leave it running for a little bit, and it's just going to set up the project, write the code. It's going to grab the design from Figma. It's going to deploy it. And in the end, I'm just going to have a URL. So let me fast forward to, the agent finishing the task. And it's done. So actually, it says it's now live at Kanban board production. Let's actually test it. And we have it. And it works. And we can add stuff. We can have tags, and even there are to-dos. So it works. And that's it. Now, once you're done, you'll be able to go to your Railway account, select a project, and you'll be able to find your service. And when you click on it, you'll see it's online, and you'll be able to find the URL where you can visit it. And from here, you can just keep iterating and interacting with your Railway account straight from your coding agent, and you'll be able to deploy whatever it creates. So yeah, if you have any questions or if you're into any issues, feel free to tag us anywhere in our socials on Twitter or LinkedIn. We'd love to help out. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and happy vibe coding.